Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your item expired, was marked as sold by mistake, or didn't get enough attention, you can release it or relist it on Facebook Marketplace in just few taps. Relisting creates a fresh version of your listing and boosts visibility again. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to relist an item on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what relisting means. So relisting allows you to reactive or reactivate expired listings, create a new listing from an old one, and start fresh in search rankings and adjust details before going live. So it copies most information from the original listing. Okay, so now open the Facebook app, tap the marketplace icon here at the bottom. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. Now go to your listings. So tap your profile icon here at the top. Okay. Select your listings. You will see active, sold, and inactive listings. Okay, so now scroll to sold or inactive. So tap the item you want to relist. So only eligible listings show the relist option. Okay, so tap the three dots, for example, if it's, for example, this one, let's just, and select relist. Okay, so the listing opens in edits mode. You can adjust price, photos, or description, make improvements before publishing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.